Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Today we're staying at Sapphire Falls. Going to give you a full room tour of room 1321. Come on in, check it out. Alright guys, as we enter together, one thing I want to tell you is here at, I got Roberta and Jake helping me. If you're new to the channel, please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World. Here at Sapphire Falls, you do have to use a key. It's like a card key, I'll show it to you. There's no like phone accessibility with your phone or any special apps. Old school, you just touch the key to the point and it'll let you in. But I want to go through, give you an in-depth view. This is a standard room.
2 queens.
2 queen beds, Sapphire Falls. So this is what you would get. We booked through Florida resident discount. And we basically did not plan this. We did this literally just a few hours ago, decided to come. Because we're going to Halloween Horror Nights tonight. So, you got a full-length mirror here, guys. Over here, we just kind of put our luggage down to keep it out of the way while we do our tour. Nice big, well, good-sized closet, I'd say. Sturdy, too.
Yeah.
So, you got some extra linens here. You got your hair dryer. You do have an iron. And you got a full-size iron board, which is nice if you need it. Got your hangers and an in-wall safe here. Also luggage rack. Okay, let's see what else we can find here in this room. Got some linens down here. Oh, I do like this though. Check this out, guys. We were doing our regular vlog. Oh, and it's got like adjustable. This was lighting up. Yeah, oh, you leave it for Roberta. It's got a couple different settings.
Yeah, this is some,
oh, a little vanity kit.
yeah.
So you got your Kleenex. You got some glasses and what is this? Oh,
Shower cap.
Shower cap.
Yeah.
That looks like lotion, and that is body wash and a little soap. Coming into the bathroom, you do have this, which is nice, so you can kind of close off if somebody's in the shower. Another person can shave. Utilize this here. Oh yeah, I did want to show you. You have a couple hand towels. We might need another bath towel though. We'll get that later. Oh no, plenty here. So you do have it set up for 4. So you got some more towels there. Of course you got your toilet. You got a hook here too, which is always nice to hang a towel or maybe a pair of shorts while you're showering. Shower is a nice glass. Also has a bench in there. And it has the amenities here, but it also has some here. So, kind of neat. So you got your options. If you don't want to use those, you can use these here. So, kind of neat with that. And there's your shower head. Looks like it does have some different settings on it as well. I know Jake likes that. He'll be in these showers sometimes half an hour messing around with all these things. All right, let's head into the main sleeping area, I guess you could call. So you got your 2 queen beds. Nice big pillows. No accent pillows there. You got some of your theming. I'm not, I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what the theming is. Like I said, this was a last minute thing. I'm looking like ocean, beach, beach vibes here. And you got a nice chair here as well. We got another lamp. I do like these sconces. These are controlled individually too, so you can leave one on. I'm gonna kind of walk back through, show you the. There's just what couple outlets
Yeah.
with the USB. Does have a clock. Looks like you can put an iPhone in there maybe. And there's a little drawer here. Now let's see if this is one of these high beds where you can store luggage. No, you cannot. So that's old school. Got a refrigerator. Small. It's like a mini. What's in here?
Drawers.
You got some drawers. So yeah, I like the way the storage is kind of hidden out like that. Of course, you got your television guy. And over here, you got your coffee. Matter of fact, I may have a coffee. And I do love this when they just give you these paper cups that are all wrapped up. We got another lamp here. I do like the lamp. It's kind of neat. Be careful here, because when I first walked in, I thought these are complimentary, but they'll charge you $7.50 for the water. Got your ice bucket. And this looks like some information. Checkout time and business center. And they also have in-room dining. It's just, out of curiosity, how much would you eat? A cheeseburger. Oh, they got the breakfast, all-day dining, mac and cheese, grilled cheese. Okay, here's your burger. $12? That's not that bad, actually. I'm sure they charge you a fee, but here's a quick look. I always like to kind of look and see. This nice big chair. This one look like it's had better days. It's a little crooked, and it's a little stained up. So the chair, not in the greatest condition. But nice if you have to use some computer work, as at Medling World, we don't stop working, guys. Yes, we love to have fun. We love to live life, but we're bringing you all these vlogs, and and we want to thank everybody for watching us. Oh, where you got, Roberta?
The outlet. It's hidden.
It's hidden.
Yeah.
No, you just got to move that out.
Yeah.
Room, overall, I'm going to say the room looks pretty good. I mean, there's a little bit of things like this, but the room felt clean. It smells clean. The AC's working well. It feels cool in here, even though it's only set to 72. And you know what we love to do when we do room tours? We follow it right up with a room review in the same exact vlog. So in vlog time 2 seconds, we'll be up. We'll be ready to check out, and we'll give you a review of the room. How did we like it? Was there a lot of noise? Did we sleep well? AC? All of those things. Coming up, vlog time, 2 seconds. And just like that, we're getting ready to check out of the room. And we're all very tired because we went to Halloween Horror Nights last night. So, Jake, first of all, what'd you think of the room? Don't mind the mess, guys. This is what we're real people. We're checking out. Roberta's over there working on Medling World vlogs. Jake, what'd you think of the room?
It was pretty easy to sleep, which I'm not sure if it was because the beds were comfortable or I was exhausted. Probably both.
Yeah.
And I couldn't hear any luggage passing around. Yeah, it was just an overall good room.
I agree, Jake. I think overall the room, the functionality of the room was good. I could hear, the only thing is, I'll say the AC is great too, by the way. You know me with my ACs. This AC is ice cold. So if you want a cold room, you'll get one here at Sapphire Falls. The one complaint I do have, though, is, well, you can't help it sometimes, but in the morning, and like Jake said, might have been because we went to Halloween Horror Nights, outside our door here, we could hear every worker, that came in from 8 o'clock on, and they were like working on the ice machines. You could hear like tools. That I'll say was a negative because you could hear it. You can hear them talking, things like that. I worked in the hospitality industry. I get it. Housekeeping is a very difficult job. It's extremely difficult because there's so much time management that goes with it. You have to come in at a certain time, but you also have to finish at a certain time. But with that being said, it was a bit loud. But other than that, I don't really have a complaint about the room. I will say, though, the room is very basic for what it is. There's nothing fancy in the room. I'm not saying it's outdated. I think it's a nice room, but this is really your only sitting area in the room. And like Roberta, like what you're doing now.
Yeah, that's what I say. Like,
you're working here, so
for me, it does work because of I can work.
You can work, yes.
Yeah, most places I cannot, and the storage is alright. There was
we use this.
Yeah.
It's a luggage rack. We just bring one big suitcase. We throw everything in one big suitcase for a night. Drinks, snacks, whatever. And then you had this, as I showed you. So, but the shower was good, Roberta?
Yeah, the shower. Oh my gosh, they have amenities. Oh, they're so
yeah, they're
good.
nice. Yeah, the shampoo and stuff.
Good. Yes. But I like the room. But I agree. It's not his fault. But
and Jake's over here coughing away with his little allergy and tiredness.
Yeah. But maybe with the HHN going on right now, maybe they need to be a little bit more mindful of people sleeping too late, and that's all. But it's not their fault, But yes, we can hear a lot. I didn't hear this side.
No, the only noise I heard was outside.
Yeah, I didn't hear anything above us. The only thing was outside.
Yeah.
But
And
the bed was good. I like it.
No, the room is fine. I think you'd have a good room if you come. So, guys, thank you so much for watching Medling World. Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. Yeah, I need a little bit more of these caffeine beverages. Last but not least, see ya!